66% of Americans say they are into spring cleaning, but 54% of Americans don't know where to begin. So if you're one of those, don't worry. Registered dietitian nutritionist Carissa Bealert is here to kick off your spring kitchen refresh.
Yes,
good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so of course I, as a dietitian, want you to start in the kitchen, and not only cleaning up your kitchen, because it's a good time to kind of go through any spices you've had over a year, get rid of those, go through the freezer, clean up the fridge, but then look at your foods there. Let's clean up our ingredient list. Let's clean up how long it takes to eat and how we're thinking about food too. And we're starting with breakfast.
All right, I have not heard of this.
I was going to say, so it's not new. It's Bob's Red Mill Muesli cup. So the cups are new, but muesli is inspired by the original European cereal. So what's new that Bob's done is they've put it in this great single serve cup.
People want stuff fast.
On the go, you can leave it at work, and inside is a really nutritious combo of whole grains, seeds, nuts, and dried fruit. So what I like to do is put it on my yogurt. So you get this really filling, delicious meal, but you could also treat it like oatmeal with hot water.
That's what I was assuming we were doing.
Milk.
Wow.
So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. This one is tropical, and it's got all that wonderful coconut in it, the nuts and seeds. Super easy for breakfast. Again, keep it wherever you're going. You could eat it dry in the car too, but don't skip breakfast.
Okay. And there's a lot of different flavors too,
There's different flavors. There's paleo as well. There's a lot of gluten-free options, and you can find this at Whole Foods, or you can get it online at bobsredmill.com.
I'm going to have to check that out. All right, tell me about prunes.
Okay, so
you're a big fan.
This is my thing I want you to think about, is I want the foods in your pantry to actually do your body good.
Okay.
And we know California prunes are delicious because their growers have been perfecting them for over 150 years, and they are known for legendary flavor and quality. So as a dietitian, you're going to get 100 calories in a serving, 3 grams of protein, and no fat, sodium, cholesterol, so super clean. But here's how it does your body good. So new research suggests that eating 5 to 6 California prunes a day may help maintain good digestive health and may support healthy bones.
Oh, cool.
Right? So we think a lot about our bone health as we're aging. California prunes help support that.
Yes. Now, are we just eating them out of the container?
You can. I eat them when I travel, but I actually cook with them. So you can see this rice here. This is a citrus rice pilaf. So it's got a zesty, bright flavor, and then I added in the California prunes. I chopped them up for a little bit of sweetness.
I love this. Yep. All right. Maybe even the kids. Sneak them in for the kids, too.
You can sneak them in for those good bone health and good digestion, right?
All right. This I'm super excited about. I was telling you, I make this at least once a week.
That's awesome.
So I'm glad you're saying it's a healthy choice that we should have.
That's my other spring cleaning tip, is that you can clean up your diet by eating at home more. And when it's quick and convenient like this, it's super easy. So this is the Smithfield fresh marinated pork loin filet. And I have the roasted garlic and herb. What's great is that it's conveniently pre-seasoned for you, like you know.
There's several different ones.
Different ones, you're right. And it's a lean protein source, and it's full of protein, so really good, satisfying dinner. How do you make it?
I know. Well, I would say when you're cooking it in the oven, what I like to do at the end is I put the, I cover it in foil to just let it, after you cook it to whatever the instructions are, and then just let it sit in the oven a couple more minutes, and then it just gets really moist and really just kind of shreds apart.
You like to shred it. So
we just do that with vegetables sometimes at night.
It's super easy, right? So you can put it in the oven, you can grill it. I know summer entertaining is kind of coming around, or you can do the crock pot thing and shred it as well, but it's so versatile, and I like the size that you're getting because leftovers are key too, that you can have it the next day, you can repurpose it. My mom does pork tacos. So again, really simple. You can find this at Walmart.
Okay, sounds good, and again, lots of other flavors. All right, beverages.
Okay, so this is where we're really getting clean. I want you to clean up the ingredient list, and I want to clean your kitchen from colors from artificial sources.
You hear about it a lot.
Neon blue should not be a color in our diet because it's only for Smurfs in nature, right? We don't eat those. So when you're outside in Florida, if you are running, if your kids are playing sports, we need to hydrate and we need to get those electrolytes back. So Body Armor is a premium sports drink. It's got potassium-packed electrolytes, coconut water, and vitamins. It's actually high in potassium and low in sodium. So it's kind of a different take on your rehydration. And again, it's got no colors from artificial sources. It's got natural flavors and sweeteners. There's the traditional Body Armor, which I love, and there's also the light. So for someone like me that knows I need the electrolytes, but I don't want the extra calories, that's kind of what I turn to because it's only 20 calories per serving. Same coconut water, vitamins, electrolytes, and it's naturally sweetened. So you get all these great flavors. The 6-packs are new too, so you can stock up and you can get all of them at Publix.
Easy enough. All right, such great ideas. We always love when you're
Happy
here.
cleaning.
And again, I love it. Thank you so much again. We'll put more info on our website as well.